Today I'm going to talk about 7 skills that you could learn very easily and can start earning 1 lakh if not more in a month as a college student. Hi everyone, my name is Shaibal Mitra. Being a college student myself, I know how much every rupee costs us. So here are 7 skills that college would never gonna teach us, but you could teach yourself through the free resources I'm going to give you in this particular video and can start earning a pretty good income even in college. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and let's get started. So the first skill in our list is social media marketing. Now what is social media marketing? Social media marketing simply means using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or YouTube for that matter to promote your products and services. Nowadays all companies are using social media to create their brand awareness, bringing more traffic to their websites and eventually increasing their sales and revenue. But to do all that, they need a social media marketer or digital marketer who could identify what their target audience needs and provide them with the same. According to our various reports, a social media marketer can easily earn 20 to 30k a month in India and more than 50k a month in a global scale. But if you are willing to take it to another level, I have a roadmap for you, which if you could follow, your earning would be sky high. So first, what you're going to need to do is learn the skill very well. And to do that, you could take this course called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google or Social Media Marketing course by HubSpot. Both of these courses are completely free and can provide you with all the basic understanding of this field. Course links are in description, you could check them out once the video ends. For now, when you would be finished learning all the basics, which not gonna take you more than a month, you could directly go to Internshala to get an internship or a part-time job in social media marketing. But please try to maintain a healthy distance from spammers who are now everywhere. So after gaining some real work experience, in few months, you would be able to launch your own digital marketing agency where you could bring more people just like you to work and grow together. And along this way, if you could create a good presence, whether in YouTube or LinkedIn, your opportunities will be boundless. Second skill is content writing. I'm sure you are not unaware of this fact that in this digital era, truly valuable content is ruling over everything. That's why various online businesses, e-commerce stores, even individual content creators all now have a constant need of good content writers who can write their blogs, video scripts and emails in such an effective way that people would love. So if you will have a good content writing skills, you could easily expect to earn $20 to $30 per hour as a freelance content writer, whether on Upwork or other freelance sites. You have to have a strong portfolio in content writing firsthand. So it would be better if you first start writing blogs in Blogger with absolutely no cost and build your skill and portfolio first. And also you can consider taking this free course on Udemy to get to know more about how to write a good content. Now by far, if you are getting any value out of this content, make sure you like the video to help YouTube algorithm show this video to other people just like you, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos of mine. Thank you. The third skill is SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. You know that already, right? But do you know what an SEO specialist does? Well, he or she optimizes the content of a website in such a way that it could be discoverable by the search engines like Google. And whenever people search for those keywords or quite similar keywords, they could find their websites. SEO helps websites to rank on search engines. That's why every old and new company in this 21st century wanted to make their SEO top-notch, because they know this fact very well. Good SEO means greater visibility, which means more traffic to their websites, which eventually leads to more customers. Any big enterprise happily spends $30,000 to $1 million every year on SEO as of 2022, and you would easily get $40 to $50 per hour as a freelance SEO expert. So you could imagine how your income potential would be if you grasp this skill for once. Now how you can learn this skill? So here is a super duper course of Simply Learn that I think might cover all the important elements of SEO that you should know for completely free. I mean, today if you want to learn a new skill, you don't need money. You just need a bit of willingness, because everything is out there for free. You just need your focus to learn all that. The fourth skill in our list is the obvious one, which is graphic design. Now you may heard about it 100 times before, and why even you don't? Because it is one of the most easiest skill to start with, and there are so many things you can do as a graphic designer. To creating brand logos to Instagram brochures, designing YouTube thumbnails to build attractive UI UX designs for apps and websites, and any other thing for that matter, which includes marketing or product packaging. Now the most basic and easy tool to start graphic design with is Canva. Here you can find numerous pre-built templates which you get inspiration from or use in your project. And if you take their annual subscription, you can access their huge library of stocks An entry-level freelance graphic designer could easily earn $25 to $50 per hour. But as being said, there are already a lot of graphic designers available in the market. You must do something different to stand out from the crowd. And please don't get disappointed, because although there are a lot of graphic designers, most of them are not skilled enough and the market is still growing. So you have a good chance to succeed. Just start learning this skill properly. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to use Canva. You can start from there, and if you want to know the basics of Photoshop, then take this free course of great learning. Fifth skill is video editing. As we all know, everything that exists online is a form of content, and the biggest chunk of this content is in video format. People love to consume videos more than any other form of content, and as our attention span gradually decreasing day by day, we are shifting towards short form of content like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. That's why so many creators are coming on this platform to share entertaining, funny and informative short videos. Now these creators know how to create videos, but most of them don't know how to edit them properly. You can bridge this problem of creators by providing them with attractive and engaging edits of their videos. You might don't know, but people are literally charging $20 to $50 per hour just to edit Instagram Reels. You can also do the same. Just go to any good creator's Instagram profile or YouTube channel and get their email address. Then write a short email describing the services you want to provide and the Google Drive link of your projects that you have done. Then if the creator would like your work or wanted to work with you, then they sure reply to your email. And if they won't, don't get sad. There are a lot of creators out there. Moving on, the sixth skill you could learn is copywriting. Copywriting means writing ads or sales copy for any company to increase their brand awareness and convince more and more people to take a particular action. If you want to know what copywriting is from the very ground level, you can read this book, The Adweek Copywriting by Joseph Sugarman, who himself was one of the top copywriters in America. Copywriting is a great skill, and there is so much potential to earn a very good income. Usually a freelance copywriter makes 1500 to 2000 rupees per day, and you can easily increase it to 3 to 4000 rupees once you have enough experience. Now you would think, what is the difference between copywriting and content writing? Because both of these ultimately means writing, right? So the difference is in their purpose of writing. See, content writing includes writing to educate or entertain people, whereas copywriting means targeting a very specific group of audience to take certain action. It is mostly used in marketing and advertising purpose. But it is also true that you could become both at the same time. So I would suggest start with copywriting, and here is a free course by Idionic on copywriting that you should take. The last skill in our list for today is data analytics. I can make a whole video out of this topic, but for now, let me tell you what data analytics mean in the simplest term. It means analyzing what could happen now or soon by taking into consideration what has already happened in the past. Everything with the help of useful data. Data analyst is one of the most in-demand jobs for 2022, and you might wonder, not only US or other developed countries want data analysts, India has also a great demand for them, and as of now there is no enough supply to match the ongoing demand. So this could be the best time to grab you this opportunity. On an average, one could expect to earn 35 to 40,000 per month salary as an entry-level data analyst. And if you have no idea of this field, don't know where to start or whether it is for you or not, you could check out this free course, Data Analytics Basics for Everyone by edX, which can provide you with all the things you need to know before getting into this field. Finally, I just want to say, understand the value of upskilling yourself, because today your degree won't matter as much as your skills. If you have relevant skills, you could get any job you want, or you even start something of your own. Yes, we are living in such a beautiful time. So use those two powerful tools you already have, time and the internet, and you can do wonders in this world. That was for this video, guys. Now if you want to know how money psychology works and how it controls our life, then check out this video right here. By the way, thanks for watching this video, and I would love to see you again. Bye.